Hi everyone, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. You may have noticed some discoloration of your lawn with the onset of cooler weather. This will likely continue depending on your location as your lawn goes into different levels of dormancy. In this video, we'll show you a way to get some instant green back into your lawn whilst also helping to limit the effect of the cold conditions. You might laugh at first at the idea of painting your lawn, and to be honest, it does seem like a strange thing to do. But don't go out and buy any old green paint and start coating your lawn, as that's unhealthy both for your lawn and the environment. But the fundamental idea of painting your lawn isn't that far off the mark. Golf courses do it, sports fields also do it, and turf farms even do it. I'm talking about applying ColourGuard Plus, an organically derived pigment and fertiliser that can make a world of difference to your lawn when applying over winter. The significant difference is that ColourGuard Plus does not coat the leaf of the grass like a paint. It is actually absorbed into the leaf. This allows a much more natural appearance and does not disrupt the function of the plant. Warm season grasses are a more common and environmentally sustainable variety for Australian conditions. Although they're great in summer because they use less water, warm season varieties can lose some colour over the cooler months. ColourGuard Plus is a solution which will allow you to have a green lawn all year round while being environmentally responsible at the same time. Because ColourGuard Plus is absorbed into the leaf of the grass, it can keep a nice green colour even though the plant is no longer producing chlorophyll. This can also negate the need for iron treatments and oversowing your lawn with cool season grasses as well. The best time to apply ColourGuard Plus is when your lawn has slowed down in growth but still looks healthy and has some green colour. Spray ColourGuard Plus onto your lawn when it is dry and there is no rain forecast. Work your way across the lawn from one side to the other. If you happen to get some on your concrete, driveway or any other surfaces, be sure to rinse it off straight away to avoid any staining. ColourGuard also contains a liquid fertiliser component, providing a small nutritional boost for your lawn, so it's not just a cosmetic, there's a nutritional benefit as well. Applying ColourGuard Plus also acts as a blanket on your lawn and can actually keep the internal leaf temperature 2 degrees higher than untreated areas, negating the impacts of frost. If you apply ColourGuard Plus once your lawn is slowed in growth, you can get the great benefit of a green leaf for up to 12 weeks. You can apply ColourGuard Plus when your lawn is actively growing, but the product will grow out with the leaf, just like dyed hair, but much quicker. If your lawn is still actively growing, you can still get benefit out of ColourGuard Plus if you have an upcoming event or you want to spruce your lawn up for some photos. You can get that instant green for that specific day. Once the lawn has absorbed the ColourGuard Plus and it is dry, usually within 24 hours, you can hose off the lawn to remove any residue that may still be present. This will help to ensure you avoid any unnecessary transference. ColourGuard Plus is safe for use around kids and pets, but just make sure the product is absorbed and dried on the leaf before letting them back on the lawn. This will save you from ending up with a green dog. An area like this was easy to apply, taking about 15 minutes from start to finish. ColourGuard Plus is available in both ready to use and concentrates, so you can simply clip it onto your hose to apply or mix with water as required with a knapsack or commercial spraying system. If your lawn is looking a little sad through winter and you want to give it a mini facelift before spring, then ColourGuard Plus is a great solution. Check out the Lawn Solutions website to buy online or for contact details of local suppliers. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more seasonal lawn care tips throughout the year. Thanks for watching. We hope to catch you next time.